Hello, my name is Saloua. I am a business coach and a digital creator, and I work with women entrepreneurs to start, launch, and grow their online businesses. And today I wanted to make this video for Selena. I've known Selena for a while now, love this woman, she is amazing, and I've attended her vision board workshop last year. And I wanted to discuss what I've accomplished since I've done the workshop, I think in January. On the vision board, which I don't have now, I had posted a bunch of photos of a woman who was traveling alone around the world, and she seems really happy. And that was in January, and in April I actually started that journey and left everything, put my stuff in storage, and started traveling the world with my portable business. And it's so funny because I have the vision board's photo, and I created an album, and then all the things that I've experienced afterwards just remind me of what's on this vision board. And it's just crazy how I was able to create that. Now, 8 months later, I look at the vision boards, I look at the photos and the experience that I have, and it's just simply amazing. So I truly believe having a vision board, I believe in having a vision in what you want to create, being open, and Selena is definitely the person to help you, direct you, and help you open up so you can really allow the beauty to come your way. So thank you, and yeah, I highly recommend to go to Selena's workshop and work with her. Bye.